Do you have a problem connecting mobile device with your VM? The first thing to look at is to check that your VM, your computer, is on the same network as the mobile device. That's probably the biggest failure people do. They don't have it on the same network. And the next thing to check, does your VM have an internet connection? The easiest way to find out is to open the Explorer and see if you get some feedback like I am getting now. The next thing to check is the Hyper-V setup. And here in this Hyper-V, you have to have a virtual switch manager. You have to have, like I am having here, a LAN. This is connecting to my network, to my network card. If you don't have a LAN, that's fine. You can have a Wi-Fi. Then you have another one that is Wi-Fi. Let's create one Wi-Fi here just to show you. Let's do a new one. Create a virtual switch, and it's an external one. And I just call it Wi-Fi. And then you have to select the Wi-Fi or wireless option and apply. And OK. This virtual switch has to be either Wi-Fi or LAN or whatever you call it, has to be set for the machine in settings. As you see now in mine, I have the LAN. If you created the Wi-Fi, you can select that one. This one has to be selected for your virtual machine. These are just names. I created LAN and Wi-Fi. It's up to you what you create. If you have troubles doing this or you still have a problem, then you need to contact your IT specialist and ask them to help you with the Hyper-V.